How to fix audio delay in video on Android. Fixing an audio delay on a video on your Android phone depends upon where and what you're having the issue with. So if you're having the issue on each and every application like YouTube, the audio and video is not in sync, or maybe you're watching Netflix, or maybe you're browsing through Instagram Reels, then we can come to a conclusion that it's not the app issue but your phone's issue, because it is happening for each and every app. If it happened only on one app, let's say, we could just try to uninstall and reinstall that application for whatever it's worth, right? But let's say you're having this issue simultaneously across all of the applications. The first thing you can try to check is whether or not you have a stable internet connection, because sometimes due to an improper connection, you might not be able to communicate and the internet won't be able to download the files in sync. That's why you could be facing that issue. Second thing you can try to do is you can simply open up settings on your Android phone, and in the search bar just type in reset. Now don't worry, we are not going to reset our device, but what we will do is we will only reset all the settings. So we'll tap on reset all settings, and if there was any type of setting that you might have changed accidentally that is causing this issue, it will reset everything back to its default. So go ahead and do that. Not only that, we will also reset all the app preferences. So what we will do is we'll go to this app section as well, and from app management we can tap on three dots, and basically we can try to reset app preferences. So depending upon different type of phone as well, you'll find the option to basically reset your app preferences. You might also want to go back and just check for a system update or a software update to see if that helps you, and also try to give your phone a simple restart. This way you can hopefully fix the audio delay in video issue on Android. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you soon in the next video.